We made it to our room, balcony, 12483. We're right by the elevators, which is a pretty perfect spot, I might say. We're gonna do a room tour real quick. Let's check out the bathroom. We're gonna check the bathroom out. Okay, pretty nice. Pretty nice glass door, I like that. I do like that a lot. Tons of space for extra things, extra bathing accessories. Another plug. That's me. What up? What up, Chief? This is gonna be the main bedroom, or the bed. This is the TV. I'm gonna turn this off real quick because it might be a little loud. But yeah, this is it. Let's see what we have here. We have a reading light and a USB. That's awesome. And a little nightstand too, so you can, rest your phone or whatever, your books. I don't know. You got this big mirror. That's cool. Another little nightstand and another light. Another USB. Perfect. Tons of plugs and outlets. You have two here, and then you get two over there. You get a bunch, and then you have the regular outlets. You know what I don't see? I don't see the European outlets. That's weird. Maybe that's how they do it now on the newer ships. I'm not sure. But I don't see, European outlet. But, I mean, that's alright. We got tons of drawer space. You got a little chair. Actually, I think these, you can put stuff in. If you need extra room. Get the waters. Those, I think, cost money, $4.25. And then you have some QR codes here for a couple things, VIFP benefits, food allergies, stuff like that. You have a cooler. Let me see if I can open this right. Pretty nice little cooler to have, pretty nice little cooler. Now let's check out the balcony. Okay, so to open, you gotta move it this way. So yeah, we are right here. And I think Jen was right earlier. She said, hey, your balcony's right over there, and we're right over here. Wow. I like these, how it locks like that, locks in place. You have a nice bed that pulls out, or a couch that pulls out into a bed. Another reading light. This doesn't have a USB, but that's okay. But yeah, this is it. Oh, you also, if you need a room, have another space, you have a bed here. But it's only the three of us, so we don't need that many beds, because Chloe will sleep right here and then we'll sleep over here. But yeah, man, this is a nice little area. Nice. I love it. I gotta go to the muster drill. I just need to drop off the stuff because it was like we had a bunch of stuff that we needed to drop off. But yeah, I'm gonna pull everything in, and I love these closets. There's way more closet space. I love this. This is awesome. You have this brand new smell. It's very a brand new smell. Excuse the wall or the door. Plenty of space. Plenty. And more space. All right.